My dad came to Traverse City to pick up his boat, so I don't know why I wasn't recording. We took the yellow car to downtown Traverse City, and there's like a full-on car cruise. It was awesome. Didn't record anything there, whatever. So we took his boat out of the building so that we could get my boat out. Putting his boat back in the building. He's gonna take it home tomorrow. And then, oh, I gotta put the swim platform on. It's amazing how much easier this stuff is to do when you have another person here to help you. Yellow car is in, Dad's boat is in, my boat is ready. Going to put the boat in the marina at Torch Lake. I'm so excited to get this done. I guess we're gonna go for like boat ride tomorrow with the kids and nephews and stuff, so it should be awesome on all fronts. We just stopped and washed the platform of the boat because it was just covered in like, I don't know what, duck stuff. My dad. Oh, now he's gotta walk around the outside. That sucks. Oops. It's the next day. I tried to make a video, but didn't work out well. I didn't record hardly anything. Boat is in the water. Dad's boat's going home. Dad's going home. I'm gonna put my trailer back in and go to the marina. I'm on Torch Lake. It is Saturday, like before Memorial Day, so I think it's like May 20th or something like that. I am gonna anchor, sandbar's right there, and then I'll fly the drone a little bit and show you what it looks like. It's kind of it's warm out, but it's like not super sunny. There's a lot of clouds and stuff, so not a ton of boats out, but definitely good. There's a fair amount of people out. Like that boat just got here that's full of people, so